Alright, this is an update from our previous video's work. Alright, and by just the looks of it, I'm sensing this one is tricky. Like it relies a lot on the fundamentals. Alright, so if we have major fundamentals for this company, which I believe we have because it's the first week of the month, it's probably NFP. I'm not sure, I haven't checked because it might happen that it's not this coming week, it's that other week, but it's the first week of the month, so it might be NFP. So I don't know, like Gbpjpy likes to act crazy, especially during fundamentals. Like, it's so crazy, you need to just be spot on. Alright, so by the looks of it, I'm sensing like a little bit of a bearish market. Like, it's not giving much. Like, it's not really giving much. By the looks of it, it's not giving much. Alright, but I'm sensing a little bit of that bearish because, as you can see, we are under one of our main resistance levels. Alright, and it's been playing on this level for a very long time right now. Alright, it played above it and then end up going below it. Alright, so it might just drop. Alright, just drop up until here. Alright, but I'm sensing that major drop. Alright, I'm sensing it. Alright, so I'm just gonna clear off the charts and reanalyze it so that we can be sure of what's happening in the market. Alright, so we remove everything and we go to the weekly time frame. Alright, so yeah, this is why it gets tricky. This is why it gets so tricky. Like, the structure is complete. Alright, if you know me how I trade, like, the structure is complete. This part of the structure is so complete. Alright, it is complete. This W shape is complete, so it's gonna have a hard time for the market to break up. Like, it's going to have a very hard time. Alright, hence before I clear the chart, I say the market's gonna decline. It's because of this logic, because I've been trading this for a very long time, so I know how it behaves. Alright, so I suspect that's what's going, like, it's gonna go with that logic. Alright, so but let's see what the market's giving us. Alright, so you can pull up main level there, another one just above there, then go to the daily time frame. Alright, you can see on far what do we have. Alright, so it's almost the same analysis before I clear up the chart. It's almost the same. Alright, so let's try to feed in a trend line. Alright, it's not perfect, but let's just try to feed it and see what the market it's giving. Alright, so you see by the looks of it, let's just try to align perfectly. Alright, so by the looks of it, you see our aligning. See, the market is trying to go to touch this trend. Alright, so I said I was suspecting a bearish market. Alright, but I did say it's tricky because this is Gbpjpy and we are expecting major fundamentals for this coming week. Alright, so they might drive the price very up. Alright, like, before then it might play, like, give those signs that it's going down and then all of a sudden shoot up. Alright, so it might do something like this because this is Gbpjpy. It's used to doing this. Alright, so I don't know, it's tricky for this coming week. Like, honestly, like, the market is very tricky for this coming week. I don't want to lie to you, like, it's very tricky. Alright, so this is my anticipation. I think the market's going to do something like this. This is what I think it's going to be doing because we have fundamentals for this coming week, so be on the lookout for that. Alright, but there's a chance that it might decline. Like currencies can get let's just leave the video here, guys, but be on the lookout. Alright, so if you learned anything from this video, please give us a thumbs up